AI for beginners, how it works, learns, and makes decisions. Hey, lovely tech queens. Honestly, tech terms like AI, machine learning, and deep learning get thrown around constantly. And unless you've spent your nights reading research papers, I haven't either, they can sound like a black box. But they're not. So let me break them down for you. Clearly, with real-life examples. And yes, that includes oranges and smart thermostats. Part 1. What is AI? And why does everyone talk about it? AI stands for artificial intelligence. And no, it's not about robots with feelings. It's about teaching machines to do things that usually need a human brain. Understanding language, recognizing images, predicting what happens next, making decisions. AI shows up in your everyday life way more than you'd think. Your phone suggests the next word before you finish typing. Your bank detects suspicious activity before you even notice. Your email knows how to separate spam from real messages. None of that is magic, sis. It's data, models, and a bit of logic all working together. Part 2. How AI learns and what ML and deep learning have to do with it. Here's the thing. To make a machine smart, you don't sit there writing instructions line by line. You let it learn from examples instead. And that right there is machine learning, ML. Then you've got deep learning. It's a fancier method that lets machines tackle the hard stuff, like recognizing speech, picking apart images, or making sense of natural language. Want a clear example? Picture this. You live in a smart home with a smart thermostat. The thermostat uses AI to decide whether to heat the room. So it starts warming up at 6:30. It uses deep learning to go even further. It checks your location, your calendar, even the way you message friends, and figures out that today you will be home early. So it heats the room ahead of time, and you didn't lift a finger. That's how it works. Step by step. Smarter every time. Part 3. What happens after learning? The role of inference. Once the model is trained, the learning phase wraps up. Now comes the fun part. It's time to actually use what it knows. We call this inference. It's the moment the AI makes a decision based on everything it already learned. Here's a simple one. Say you trained a model to tell oranges from apples. Now you show it a brand new fruit photo. Queen, that's inference. The model in action, making predictions or sorting things into buckets based on what it picked up earlier. Part 4. 2 types of inference, real-time versus batch. Not every AI decision happens the same way. Sometimes you need an answer this second. Other times you've got a mountain of data to chew through quietly in the background. Let me lay it out. 1. Real-time inference. This is the AI reacting immediately the moment new input lands. Examples. A smart fridge notifies you that milk is low the second you open the door. A navigation app recalculates your route as soon as you take the wrong turn. An e-commerce site recommends similar items the moment you click on a product. Speed is everything here. The response has to be fast and smooth, no lag. 2. Batch inference. This one kicks in when the system crunches large amounts of data at once, usually on a set schedule. Examples. Your sales data is analyzed overnight to generate a report by morning. A bank reviews all transactions at the end of the day to assess risk levels. A job platform scans thousands of resumes every weekend to find top matches. Nothing about this needs to be instant. It's a depth and scale kind of job. When to use what? Here's the cheat sheet. A note from one IT girl to another. AI isn't some far-off futuristic fantasy, darling. It's already here. quietly making your day smoother and your tools sharper. And you really don't need a degree in algorithms to get how it works. If this clicks for you, AI, the system that acts smart, ML, how the system learns from data, deep learning, how it handles complex patterns, inference, how it applies what it learned to make decisions. Then congrats, Code Cutie. You're already ahead of most people. Keep learning, stay curious, and please don't let a few scary tech terms intimidate you. You're more than smart enough to master this.